Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to sew an elastic waist skirt to fit 18-inch dolls. It's a long enough skirt to go over the doll's knees. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download these 2 free PDF sewing patterns that you see here and join them together along the tape line. There's a little icon of tape. Use this taped pattern to cut out your skirt fabric. Now we'll be using a sewing machine for this particular skirt, but you could sew the whole thing by hand as well. Begin your hem by folding the fabric once and then a second time. We call this a double fold hem. Then you're going to sew all along this double folded edge. Here's a close-up of my stitches. Your hem should look like this. Now flip the fabric around to the opposite side, the side you didn't sew yet, so that the finished hem will be at the bottom. And now along this raw edge, you're going to fold once, and then you're going to fold a second time, but this is a deeper fold, and your pattern should show where to do this. Sew along the very edge of this casing. We call this a casing. So you can see I'm sewing right along the edge of the casing. If you need help making a casing, I do have a tutorial for that. You can look in the description below this video on YouTube, and it will tell you all about casings. Okay, it's time to send an elastic through the casing now. Measure and cut elastic to fit your doll's waist. Attach a safety pin to one end of your elastic. And when you send your elastic through, it's going to gather that part of the fabric. So here I am sending my safety pin through, and I'll talk about these straight pins in a minute. Once you've got straight pins through the elastic, then you're going to remove the safety pin. Now, to keep the elastic from coming out of the casing, you're going to send a straight pin through the elastic and the fabric. You got to make sure it goes through the elastic too on both sides of the skirt, and keep those straight pins in for the next few steps. Fold your skirt in half like this, and now you're ready to sew along that raw edge of fabric. Go over the elastic part a couple of times with your sewing machine, and then stitch all the way down to the bottom of the hem. Invert your skirt or turn it right side out, and then you're ready to try the skirt on a doll. For more free printable sewing patterns, for sewing doll clothes for dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com.